I was just telling Dan that I just found out about the WinAppDriver.
Yeah.
And he mentioned that you're
Yeah.
actually the one that created it. So could you just tell us a little bit more? What is the WinAppDriver? It's still in beta, I heard, but
It is still in beta.
Yeah.
It's Microsoft's. It's our effort to participate in this vision of taking Appium and the WebDriver protocol and making it the protocol that you can use to test all your applications, your websites, your hybrid apps. And you install it on Windows PC right now, and it's an endpoint. It's a WebDriver server, and you can use Appium, which proxies to it, or you can point your tests directly at it. And it can do a lot right now, and we're constantly iterating on it and improving it, and it's been great.
cool. So what Windows OS does it support? Can I use Windows 7 still, unfortunately, so I don't leverage it still?
This only runs on Windows 10.
Okay.
Yeah, we're encouraging people to move to Windows 10.
Absolutely. Yep.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
So is this something that actually you use in-house at Microsoft?
Absolutely.
Really?
So one of the reasons why we're doing this now is we definitely heard from a lot of third parties that they wanted to use Appium to test their apps, and we also heard from internal teams. There are multiple teams at Microsoft building apps for multiple platforms, and it kind of hits you right away as soon as you're doing that. Oh, I'd love to use Appium and to test my Windows apps as well.
Right.
And so this has been in the works for actually the last couple of years or so, where we've assessed what needs to be done, had good conversations with other people in the Appium community, like Dan,
Yep.
and Jonathan Lips at Sauce, and then the team's been working on this and got it released. So there's been a lot of demand both internally and from third parties.
Awesome. Yeah, it's really exciting. It's something that people have been waiting for, so that's really cool.
Yeah, I think I think with the number of devices and the different form factors and the ways that people are using multiple devices now, for us as an industry to keep producing quality software, we need great automation tooling, and we need standards, open standards that the automation tooling is on, so you don't have to keep relearning a new framework, use a different language or what have you, just to get on a different device or a different platform. And I think that's where we need to get.
Awesome. So, last question. What's going on at Microsoft? It seems like I'm older, so when I started off, I was like, that was the place to work, Microsoft. And then all of a sudden, it became not so cool.
Uh-huh.
And now it's like it's becoming cool again.
It's
like
cool.
they're really embracing everything. So what's changed? Have you seen a change? Have you been there that long?
I've been at Microsoft almost 4 years.
Okay.
And it's been changing. I mean, Satya's done an incredible job. Yeah. And there's a huge movement to embrace open source, to do cross-platform development. I think Windows is on a great trajectory right now. We have Bash on Windows is a project that I've worked on, and that's enabling developers to do full-stack development, even with a Linux backend.
Wow.
And it really works.
Yep.
And that's gotten a lot of excitement in the community about Windows as your dev box. Yeah, so there's a lot of exciting things happening at the company right now. It's a lot of fun.
Cool, that's awesome. Well, thank you so much for contributing to the community, and I think it's going to be a great addition to open source tools.
Yeah, good to chat.
Awesome, thanks so much.